Transform unused wall space into functional art. Strategic shelf placement creates both storage and visual interest. Proper installation ensures stability. Follow these mounting guidelines for secure, professional results. Maximize counter space with an above-sink drying solution. This installation combines functionality with sleek design. Create visual interest through thoughtful arrangement. Layer objects of varying heights and textures for professional styling. Transform everyday items into artistic displays. Group similar objects and create focal points for maximum impact. Balance function with style in open shelving. Organize frequently used items for easy access while maintaining visual harmony. Your kitchen walls now combine storage solutions with artistic display. This transformation maximizes space while adding personality.